Hey guys, welcome to our travel course. We're so excited to get started, but first we're going to quickly go over some of the curriculum.
Yep, so we're going to jump in and in detail, we're going to cover 10 different really cool but relatively unknown travel hacks that we've picked up along the way on some of our vacations we've taken. It's saved us a ton of money and it's allowed us to travel for longer periods of time more often. So we're going to show you how we've been able to save thousands of dollars on accommodations and how we've never had to pay for a rental car in the past. And then at the very end, once we've covered all 10 of those, we're going to break down one of our very favorite vacations. We're going to show you how we put those 10 tricks to good use and how it saved us money.
We made this course because our friends and family are always asking us how we manage to travel so often. So we wanted to equip them with the knowledge and you guys with the knowledge so that everyone can have the freedom to do the same.
Yeah, so if you're the type of person who has a sense of adventure and wants to travel more and save money and do it more often, then this course is definitely for you. If you're the type of person that wants to sit on a beach 2 weeks out of a year at an all-inclusive, that's totally cool, nothing wrong with that, but this course might not be for you. So, all right, we're ready to jump into it. Here we go, guys.